guys, so I'm going to be showing you how you can create this skull on the hand face look. I don't really know what to actually call it, but I've seen it around on Instagram and on Facebook, and I thought I would create this look. So if you guys want to see how I did this look, then carry on watching. So starting off, I'm just kind of measuring up where I'm going to be placing the features on my hand. I looked at a few photos for reference as well, just so I knew what where I'm placing things and what I'm doing. So on the index finger, that's where you place the nose, and you kind of want to draw it diagonally, if you can imagine. So one side of the mouth is just where the thumb is, and then that goes towards the little finger. So on your hand it'll look diagonal, but when you place it on your face it'll look straight up. I'm using a black eyeliner pencil for this because I find it'll be easier just to draw it out first. And obviously for a skull face look, you can look on Google for some reference pictures. Just tracing out where the chin is and like where the jawline is. Obviously this doesn't have to be exact, and you can do it however you want really. I thought I'd do the whole thing because I thought it looked a bit more complete, but you can just do the teeth if you want, or you can just do like the nose and the teeth. So once you have it all complete and you're happy with how the pencil drawing is, then you can move on to paint. And I just use white and black water-based paint just because it's really easy to use. I started filling in some of the gaps with the white paint because that's where I knew where like the skull bit was. You know, I find it easier doing like the larger bits first, and where you know it's completely white or where it's completely black.
Colors like they forgot to read. I think we're like fire and water.
And then moving on to the black paint, I'm drawing around where the jawline is and just making a few little details and going over the pencil just so I know where all the lines are. And then I'm filling in the nose with the black paint just because I know that's completely black. And I filled in a few of the other gaps just where I knew that it was completely black. Like I said, it's just really easy to do, really. So next I'm moving on to the teeth, just using the white paint for the teeth. And it doesn't matter if you get this really messy or whatever, because you can always clean it up afterwards. I noticed that I needed a bit more space on the jaw, so I'm just drawing over it with the white paint where the teeth are. You know, I'm cleaning this up a little bit later on, so it doesn't really matter. I'm trying to keep all the teeth symmetrical and, you know, the same amount really. I'm just making them look a little bit bigger because I felt like they needed a bit more of the space. Just drawing the bottom teeth now and just doing the same process where I need to just draw the teeth really. So now that I'm happy with how the teeth look, I'm just going to draw in some of the detail around the teeth with the black paint. And like I said, this is how I clean it all up, making sure that it looks more kind of neat and like actual teeth. And then using a very fine brush, I'm just drawing in some details around the nose and on the nose as well, like with the white paint. Honestly, it's just a matter of looking at different designs and however you want to fill it out. And then around the teeth where the ridges are, I'm drawing some black lines going up towards the nose and a few little details in there as well, just to kind of add a bit more like shading and all of that really. I also added some details along the jaw and like just where the chin is, that is just some more detail. And then I'm going in with some black eyeshadow just to add more kind of depth to it because I didn't feel like the paint did enough. So I'm just using this where like some like the black areas are and around the jaw. So that is how I created this look. It looks quite complicated, but it was pretty okay. I liked how it turned out, and also I did some like eyeshadow on my eyes and added a bit of makeup onto my face because I need to complete the whole look. I hope you guys like this look, and as always, don't forget to give me a like and subscribe to my channel for more videos just like this. Thank you guys for watching. I shall see you all in the next video. Bye!